In this video, we will recall the basic HTML tags what we have learned in the first video, and then we will continue with the next topics. Here, what you can say is what we have learned in the first video is the basic HTML tags such as HTML, starting tag and closing tag. Then comes the head part, so it starts here and it closes somewhere, yeah, it closes here. In head part we have written a title. Suppose assume that you want to see the title, you can right click onto the Sublime Text and you can click on browser. So here you can see at that, I will just here, this is here you can see this is a title what you see in this. Next I have used one h1 tag. This is aligned to the center, so this align center is the attribute what we are using in HTML tag. So here just click it here, yeah, you can see it is aligned to the center. Then we have used a horizontal ruler which is below this heading text. Then we have used h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. These are all heading texts. In case you want to use a heading text, you can use this. Next we have used p tag, which is also called as a paragraph tag. You can also use attributes here called as the align equal to right. So these are the, just a minute. And after that what you have to do is, if you make any changes, you have to go save the file. So I will use Ctrl S in the future. So once you save, you have to click on this refresh button or reload a current page. Here you see it is aligned to the right. So this is how you can write the, or you can use the attributes into the HTML page. Now let us discuss some more of this. So I will just remove this align tag. So the next topic what comes in this one is a pre. So the same text I will just remove this, okay, and I will make it as a single paragraph text. So to demonstrate the difference between p and pre, we have to save it. I will save it and I will just re-demonstrate it to you. Okay, this is my HTML text, you can see here. So this, in case I want it in multiple lines, I have to put it into this, I have to put break in between. Instead of that, I can use one more tag called as the pre. So the same concept, I will take it in just a minute, it's happening some, yeah, I want it next to each other. Here I will put it into the pre tab. So what happens, we will see pre, okay. Then we have opening and closing for pre. I will just copy this text. Although it is in two lines, it is showing in one line. You can see here paragraph tab, okay. So this paragraph tag we have written it in two lines, but here when you see it in the browser, it shows it in single line. So in case you want it in multiple lines, you can use pre. Pre is displaying the text as you have written into the HTML table code. So I have used pre here. So now I just view the browser, I cannot see anything here because I have not saved it. Now I will save the page. Now I have saved it using Ctrl S. Then I will just refresh it. See here I have used a pre tag where multiple lines, it is displaying it in a multiple line. So you can use a pre tag in this way. So I will use this notes as a reference, okay. This is a link. So in case you want to create a link between two pages, so you need two HTML pages here. For that you should go to file and click on new file. So ultimately it will create one file, okay. Here it is coming as untitled. So you can save the file. You know that how to do that. File, save, then you have to give file name here, itsk3. I will take the file name itsk3 K3, dot html. Don't forget to give dot html, otherwise it is saved as a text file. It's very important. Now I have saved it as a, see, now in my left window you can see we have three files. First one is itsk1, that is a soft skill 1 html, itl soft skill 2 html, and it soft skill 3 html. In this I will not write much of the code. I will simply write html tag. In your app I am not sure you can do this or not, but if you can't do it, you can try it later. So what is the problem? Okay, it's not coming HTML. I will try it in itskill 2, this file HTML. So automatically it came. Title, I will write here heading text. H3 I will take. Yeah, one more thing I forgot to mention, there is no case sensitivity here. See, here in this I have used small h1, h2, h3, but here I will use capital, so it does take that. So if you just click on H, you can see that you are getting the list of items. This is page 2. So I will save that. So after come, see, in case you want to save all the files at a time, if you use a multiple, you have the facility to open the multiple files in Sublime Text. In case you want to save all the files at a time, you can click on save all, or individually also you can save. Okay, now I have saved this file. I will just open it in the browser. Okay, this is my second file. This is first file, this is second file. So I don't have a title here, that is why it is displaying the path of this particular file here, and that file is created in our IT skills folder. So I just know, I want to know where exactly it is. D drive, IT skills practicals. Yeah, here in D drives I have IT skills practicals. Here I have stored this. These are 3 HTML files I am having. So what I will do is, I will this is my page. I want to give a title for this here. So what I have to do, I should go to Sublime Text, and here I have to type page 2. Page 2 IT skills. Now I will save the file using Ctrl S, and I will refresh this. Here you see, you are getting the title as page 2 IT skills. So this is my heading 1. So I will just make it heading 2. I want to make it heading 2. Don't want a large text. So I will make it heading 2. I will save the file and I will refresh it here. See, this is my page 2. Now what I want to do is, when I will create one link here. When I click on that link, it should automatically open my page 2. For that, here I will create one link. Okay, so here I will do one thing. I will use a tag called as a A. We have to use href. Okay, A href. See, I told you one thing in the beginning, that we need to organize the files. Correct. Now what I did for that is, I created one folder and I am keeping all my files into this folder. Suppose assume that I have to place a picture, I want to insert a picture. So what I can do is, just simply I can go to IT skill practicals, I can right click here and I can create one folder here. Click on new folder and I can name it as images, because we will learn how to create images. images. Okay, images. So when you create that folder here, automatically it comes here. Can you see this here in the Sublime Text? Okay, now I said in the beginning that we need to organize, and one more thing you can notice here on the screen, I have typed the text directly here in front of H1. It doesn't make any difference. Continuously you can type the tags one after another. Okay, now here I have typed a href. So href, after that I can simply write the path of the file. So what is the path of the file? So I will tell you exactly what is the path of the file. So I will take this IT skills 3 HTML. So I will just go to browser. See here, this is the path of the file. D drive, IT skills practicals, IT skills 3 HTML. This is what we have to write here. But here I will not write that. I will not write that path. What I will do is, in this one I will simply write this file name, that is it underscore sk underscore 2.html. I will simply write this it underscore simply it tab I will use. Okay, just a minute. It is in capital, so I will use it in capital. Underscore sk, not necessary to be in capital only, anyway you can write. So case sensitivity is not there here. .html. So what I have done, I have not used any path here, right? So what I said, in case you want to give or create a link here, you have to write the full path here, right? Like this you have to write a full path. But I have not written a full path. What I have done, I have simply written this itsk underscore 2 it is, underscore 2.html. Okay, now I will type a text here, for which I will type a text. If you click on that, it opens the IT skills 2 HTML file. I will just type a text here, click, click here, click for page 2, click for page 2, and you have to close this tag. Okay. Now I will save this file and I will check what I am getting in this one. I will just refresh this. Here you see, click for page 2. Now if I click on this, it opens page 2. I will close this, otherwise what happens? I will close this. I will restart it. Okay, I will just go to the right click on the Sublime Text and click on browser. Okay, this is IT skills. Now I will just click on this, it opens page 2. You can see here. Can you see it here? Correct. So one attribute I would like to try, I will try it. If it works, it will be okay. Otherwise I will tell it in the next class. So here A is a tag, href is an attribute. So I will try one more attribute, that is a target blank. We'll just try that. Just save the file. Then I will refresh it. See, it opened in a new page. Correct? Previously what was happening, it was opening in the same window. Now it opened in the new window. So why this is possible is because, see, I will show you once again. See, I have used one attribute called as a target equal to blank. So what it is doing is, it is opening it in a new window. I will to re-demonstrate it, I will just close this page 2. Then I will just remove this and I will show you what happens. Okay, we'll try.